there, tech fans. Today I have the brand new Orei BK-EX165H-K 8K HDMI extension kit. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to share all of your HDMI media content from one location with a second remote location up to 165 feet away over a single Cat 6 or Cat 7 LAN cable. The product fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second, and it's both HDMI 2.1 as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern media equipment. It also features the very latest in power over cable technology, which means a single power supply plugged in at the primary or secondary location is all you'll need to operate the entire solution, because the power required for the other module is sent over that single LAN connection, which greatly simplifies your wiring. The kit also includes a set of infrared blasters that will collect up the remote control signals from that second location and pass those back digitally over that LAN connection to the primary location where they're rebroadcast, which means you can completely control the content you're watching. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the transmitter and the receiver modules, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use the kit. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other HDMI extension kits that you may be considering. So let's get started with that unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the transmitter module and the receiver module. You'll find a single DC power supply. You can simply plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which again can plug into the transmitter or receiver module, and it provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll find a set of brackets you can use to mount these modules up off the ground and out of the way, as well as a set of infrared blasters that look similar, but they're slightly different, so make sure you plug the correct one into the correct module. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about this product that you'll want to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned, next I'll take a closer look at each module, and then I'll come back and remind you of some of the special features this product provides. This kit includes both a transmitter module and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures which make them incredibly durable. Let's start with the transmitter module. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape and keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. On the one end of the module, you'll find a LAN port. This is where one end of the Cat 6 or Cat 7 cable between the transmitter and receiver plugs in. To the right of that are two 3.5mm ports labeled infrared in and infrared out. Now on the transmitter end, you'll plug the infrared blaster into the infrared out port, and that will rebroadcast the signals from that remote location. On the other end of the module is a full-sized HDMI port on the left. This connects to whatever media device you'd like to share the content from with your remote location. Always use a high-quality cable for that connection. To the right of that is a USB-C port labeled Service, and that's used for updating the firmware on the module if needed later on. You can simply connect this to a local computer and move that firmware file over to the module to complete the upgrade. To the right of that is a power indicator. When you add power to the module, it immediately starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED, letting you know this module is ready to use. And finally, to the right of that is a DC input port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. Now, because this system uses power over cable technology, you'll only need that one power supply plugged in here at the transmitter or at the receiver end to operate the entire solution, because the power required for the other module is sent over the LAN connection. The receiver module is very similar. Again, metal enclosure, ventilation slots on both sides for cooling. On the one end of the module is another LAN port, and that's where the other end of the Cat 6 or Cat 7 cable from the transmitter plugs in. Two more infrared blaster ports, and in the case of the receiver, you'll plug the collector into the infrared in port, and that'll collect up the remote control signals and send those back to the primary side. On the other end of the module, there's another HDMI port right there. That connects to a local monitor at the remote location that you'd like to use to enjoy the content from the primary side. Another USB-C port right there for updating firmware on the remote. another power indicator to let you know this module is powered up and ready to go, and another DC input port right there. And again, because this uses power over cable, you can choose to plug that power supply in at the transmitter or the receiver end, and you can operate the entire solution with that single power supply. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei BK-EX165H-K 8K HDMI extension kit with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with resolution. This product fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second. And that's unique. A lot of other HDMI extension kits on the market may only support 4K or 1080p content, which greatly reduces the resolution of the image at that remote location. So knowing you've got a kit that can handle a higher resolution at the higher frame rate means it's going to deliver a crystal clear picture to that remote location. And even if you're only viewing 4K content today, knowing you've got a kit that can handle that higher resolution means you won't have to upgrade this if you upgrade your media equipment later on. Another big difference is the power over cable technology. That greatly simplifies your wiring because it allows you to use a single power supply, again at the primary or secondary location, to support the entire solution. A lot of other kits on the market require a power supply at both locations, and sometimes it can be a hassle to find an open outlet. Another big difference is the certification. This product is both HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.3 certified, which means the HDMI certification is really important because that standard has gone through a lot of changes in recent years. A lot of new features have been introduced. So knowing you're on the latest version of HDMI means you can immediately take advantage of all those features. And the HDCP certification is equally important because that controls copy protection. So knowing you're on the latest version of HDCP means you won't have any problems playing all of your media files. And the last thing I'll point out is the inclusion of the infrared blasters, which provide complete remote control of the content. And that's important because if you're at that remote location, if you don't have an infrared blaster kit, you're going to have to run back to the primary location to start the video or rewind the video. So having those provides complete remote control from that secondary location. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.